So we're going to go ahead and take a look where we stand. We've been sort of in a hold mode here for a few days, and the cleanup crew came out. There were 3 of them. I think their name was Me, Myself, and I. And they did a hell of a job. They didn't want the neighbors to have to suffer the consequences of sort of a worker-intense labor effort here. Of course, it is 100 plus degrees. This is all going to be stucco. We were advised today that the faux brick around these posts might be held up for about a month. The supplier here, of course, you know, there's limited suppliers, and they're saying they need a month. They're doing some sort of inventory and will require some time to get that faux brick siding to match the existing that we have over there. In cleaning this up, reveals some remedial cleanup by the crew to actually clean up that colored mortar. They get paid to get the final product done, but the path getting there seems to be less of a concern. There'll be a final walkthrough to address issues. I see one there. They used a block there that's got a chip, so that's going to have to be fixed cosmetically. At least the wall keeps the debris from blowing into the neighbor's yard. But this slab came out very nice. That crew started pouring, well, let's see, the crew showed up at 4 in the morning and they began pouring at 5 in the morning. And by noon, they had finished floating and cutting these stress relief lines, I guess you'd call them. So it's all cleaned off. Drain's really nice, doesn't puddle. The slope they have on it is perfect. Probably be relocating and adding that membrane to the side, where there will be rock. I guess it's a weed barrier, you might call it. So here we have, getting close. This line here is where they're going to excavate out. I'll put some sort of a retaining method in here to keep this portion here from sliding down. And it's a little low right here. And then that barn goes in there. And I'll post something up on what that is going to be. They still need to address how that Rainbird wiring is going to be channeled underneath that walkway. That's where we stand. Quick update. They say the landscaping is going to start tomorrow. Well, they did say tomorrow. They just didn't say when it would end. Things are progressing. Take care.